Hi guys, welcome to Go Roughly Around the World. Greg and I are riding around the world with our German Shepherd Moxie on the back of my motorcycle in her K9 Moto cockpit. We publish new episodes every Sunday on YouTube about the adventure, so make sure you tune in.
So we're coming to you from the beautiful highland desert in Zacatecas, Mexico, and we want to talk about packing liquids, oils, creams, and powders for outdoor and adventure travel. So Hydrapak is pretty much focused on water, but liquid, oil, creams, and powders, that's something different.
For oils, we've got two different options. So for the first one, we use the Softflask. This is where we put our cooking oil. I carry extra virgin olive oil for when I'm cooking, and this one has a suck top.
Suck top is not the preferred nomenclature for this thing. It's got some other name, but it's the suck top. Basically, you do a drizzle, and then you suck. So it's a light squeeze at the tip, and then a suck.
So that's for the cooking oil. And then for Moxie, I carry her supplements with her food here. And one of the supplements is a salmon oil by Zesty Paws. And so I just fill up this Hydro Flask, and then I have the top as well that you can squeeze it and it'll shoot out. And that will just give me the right amount that I need for Moxie's food.
Now on to powders. So we've got another soft flask here that holds our creamer. We use a creamer, of course, for our coffees in the morning, a lot of times during the day for a pick-me-up. We also use it as a milk substitute for things like oatmeal and cereal in the morning. You have that same squeeze top that you use for the liquids, and that gives you a nice opening for shaking.
Oh no, Greg! I also do the same thing with Moxie supplements. So I have Zesty Paws hip and joint supplements that I basically crumble up because they come in chews. I crumble them up and then I put them into the Hydro Flask. And then this makes it easy, again, the same way. It doesn't have the insert, so then I can just pour it out into her food and it keeps everything all in one nice space.
Now keep in mind that this same solution for powders works for other things like salt, pepper, and certain condiments or spices that you'd put on your food. Last but not least, creams. We've got a couple of examples here of what we use. So this has shampoo, and there's no insert, although you could use it with an insert and kind of squeeze it out. But it's quite simply an opening here, and you can dispense your shampoo as you want to use it.
The good thing about the soft flask is it gets smaller as it's used. So I'm one of those people who buys a big shampoo and conditioner in the big bottles. And what I'll do is I'll just refill the bottles into the soft flask, and that way I don't have to carry around these big heavy bottles.
And the same goes for sunscreen. So here I've got some sunscreen, actually mixed in with a little bit of moisturizer, and dispenses just the same, and it gets smaller as it's used. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some value from what we shared about how you can carry liquids, oils, powders, and creams for outdoor and adventure travel.
And don't forget to subscribe to us here on YouTube to watch our weekly video series about traveling around the world with a big dog. And at GoRuffly for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.